Hello guys, welcome back to Intro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix can't install WhatsApp Messenger error on Google Play Store on your Android devices and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to tap on your settings. Now from here you just have to navigate to apps. Now from here you just have to click on apps at the top, and from here you just have to navigate to or scroll down and you have to move to Google Play Store. So just keep moving and you have to find Google Play Store. So once you find Google Play Store, you have to open this, and from here you just have to tap on storage and you just have to tap on clear cache. You just have to tap on clear cache. Okay, and once it is done you just have to go back. You have to follow one more method. So you just have to click over there. Now what you have to do is just follow the instruction. Just tap settings once again and you have to do the same process. You just have to navigate to apps, once again to the apps at the top. So same process, you just have to do it, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to find Google Play service. Now I'll be showing you that. So you just have to keep scrolling a little bit and it is there. So as you can see that the Google Play services is there at the top, so you just have to select this, and from here you just have to tap on storage once again, and from here there is an option called clear cache. So you just have to do clear cache and it is done. So now what you have to do, just go back to the home screen and you have to do a restart on your Android devices, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.